Hi there. Welcome to this video on how to measure customer satisfaction and loyalty. I'm Jeff Tobe, Senior Partner with Customer Experience Systems. Whether you're a small business owner or a large corporation, understanding how your customers feel about your products or services is critical for success. So let's get started. First, it's important to know that customer satisfaction and loyalty are two different things, but they're both equally important. Customer satisfaction refers to how happy customers are with your products or services, while customer loyalty is about how likely they are to keep doing business with you. You probably know this, but there are several ways to measure customer satisfaction. And one of the easiest ways is to ask your customers directly. You can do this by sending out surveys or questionnaires through email, social media, or even in store. Ask them about their experience with your product or service and whether they would recommend you to their friends and family. Another way to measure customer satisfaction is through feedback and reviews. You can ask customers to leave a review on your website, social media, or third-party review sites like Yelp or Google. But pay attention to both those positive and negative reviews, as they can both provide valuable insights into how you can improve your business. To measure customer loyalty, you can use metrics like customer retention rate, NPS, Net Promoter Score. The customer retention rate measures the percentage of customers who keep coming back to your business over a certain period of time. On the other hand, NPS measures how likely customers are to recommend your business to others on a scale of 0 to 10. Now, let's talk about some best practices for measuring customer satisfaction and loyalty. Firstly, make sure to collect data consistently and regularly so you can track changes over time. It's also important to act on the feedback you receive, whether it's positive or negative. This shows your customers that you value their opinion and are committed to improving their experience. Finally, be transparent with your customers about how you're using their feedback to improve your business. This builds trust and loyalty, as customers appreciate being involved in the process and seeing their feedback being implemented. So that's it for this short video on how to measure customer satisfaction and loyalty. Remember, understanding your customers' needs and preferences is key to building a successful business. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.